Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another new releases video, but this time it is going to be for the Hobonichi A6 sticker kits. So the Hobonichi A6 looks like this, and it has daily pages. It is smaller than a Hobonichi Weeks. It is sometimes called a Hobonichi A6 because it is an A6 sized, and sometimes it's called the Hobonichi Original because it is, I think, the very first one that they came out with. I'm not so sure because I have to still research that. So let's go ahead and jump right into our new releases because I am losing light. I started late. I am sorry. Life is just like that. So let's go ahead and start with our first collection. I have 5 collections to show you. Yes. And let me go ahead and show you the kit format first. So this is the Self-Discovery Hobonichi Original A6 collection. And what you do get is kit that is good for 2 pages of your Hobonichi A6 or Hobonichi Original. So it will be good for this spread. Okay. So this is Courage, and what you get is you get the date cover-ups that would sit at the top, and then you get the bottom bars that would sit on, so this is the left page and this is the right page. You get 1 deco here, sometimes you get 2, and then you get these side washi or side strips stickers that you can put across the page. So if you go to this page, let me go ahead and show you a completed one. So this is how I used the washi strip. Okay, this is better. So this is the Sailor Moon collection, and then this is the Midsummer collection. And this will sit from that dot above 6, so 5 o'clock in the morning, all the way down to 4 o'clock in the morning. Date cover-ups would start at that first dot right there. So that dot is where you will place the edge of the date cover-ups. So going back to Courage. So the theme for this is self-discovery. The weeks had coats on them with a bit of deco. But for here, it is a little bit more of a transition into autumn. So early autumn, this is the kit that is perfect for that time of year. So this is Courage. And then you have Journey that is green based. It has the same forest theme going on for the entirety of this collection. And then you get this pretty ones. As you can see, you get 2 decos here. So you can have 1 or 2 decos per kit, per sticker kit. And then the last one, this is Begin, and this is exclusive to the Hobonichi Original A6 kits. Okay, so although there is a self-discovery collection for Hobonichi Weeks, it only has 3 kits. So the art for Begin, or Begin itself, the Begin sticker kit, is exclusive to the Hobonichi Original A6, wow, that's super long, Self-Discovery Collection. And that will happen quite a few times here. So these are the 4 of them. That is the Self-Discovery Collection. Now moving on to another collection that also has an exclusive. This is the... Okay, I keep butchering this the last time, and I will do it again. I am very, very sorry for that. This is the Hygge. That's all the pronunciation I can think of. I'm pretty sure none of them is still correct. Collection, and you get 4. You get the same format, so everything is the same format. Now, the theme for this is understated luxury and coziness. So, Hygge is a Scandinavian term that means coziness, intimacy, comfort. So that is the theme for this. So it's very indoors. So you can see there are some furniture and home decor here. As you can see, home sweet home. So you can see the theme. Now the deco for Cushy, is that right? Cushy. So Cushy has 1 deco, and it is the same art as this, and it has the tray, the breakfast tray with the flowers, the croissants, and that coffee with a heart. That's super cute. I wish that my morning coffee would come with a heart, but as long as it's strong, it doesn't matter to me. It needs to be strong. That's the number one thing. And then for the bottom bars, you get an art that is a stack of coffee table books, I believe, with these decors and glasses. I am wearing glasses. I would be blind without them. So this really is something that I would totally enjoy in my own planner. And this is the decor for the sidebar. Well, it's a book stack. And then this is Kashi. Next, you get Comfort. So Comfort has this girl, and the background is marble pink with a hint of gold. And this is the art for the bottom bar, and it is like a seating area with a sort of a background tent over it. It looks really cozy, and it's perfect if you just want to hang out. I wish I had that in my home. I can, but the dogs would have first dibs because it is ground level, so that's always what happens in my house. When you have dogs, you will understand. This next one is called Cozy, and it has the background that's like wood, like a wooden panel, wooden floors. It's like the epitome of being cozy, I feel like. And the colors is gray with a hint of darker green, so gray and green. It's super nice. Like, it's really, for me, this is cozy. Cozy for me is this. I love it so much. And here you have a plate of a terrarium, sort of, with the flowers and a cactus. And then the last one is called Charm. Charm has the girl with a cup. You also get two decos here. So this is the side strip or side washi that you get. It has the flowers right here, white flowers. And then behind the bottom bar is a bed, a made-up bed with lots and lots of pillows. My bed has a lot of pillows too. I love having lots of pillows on the bed, like being surrounded by pillows. There you go. And these are the 4 kits within Hygge Collection. The next collection also has an exclusive, and this is the Hereafter Collection for Hobonichi Original A6. And the first one we have is Everlasting. And it has that girl, one of the prettiest arts I have ever used for a kit, and she is stunning. The background has a lot of green and has a lot of floral, so you have a hint of lavender right there. Lavender color, because there's a lavender flower right behind the covers. And then you have Divine, also has a lot of lavender, so that is the girl that you get. You get her as a deco as well, if you can see there. This has softer colors, softer grays, softer purples. Next, you have a much darker, very avant-garde, I feel like. Avant-garde style, and this has a purple lace background, and the girl is also inked in purple ink, and I feel like that's super pretty. There's a softness from the lace, but there's also the strength of the girl that is painted in ink. And this is the exclusive kit. This is called Majesty, and it is purple, a lot of white. I think the selling point for this is her hair, because it's just done so beautifully. I picked her because of her hair specifically. So there you go. And once again, this is the Hereafter Collection. Very majestic, okay, very ethereal as well. And then the next collection is a smaller one. Small, but still so cute. This is the cutest one we have. It's so pretty. Let's start with Curiouser. So these two are part of the Forest Friends collection. The theme is friends that you see in the forest. So this is when Alice meets the Cheshire Cat with a hint of red to bring out the red on her cheeks right there. And then the next one is also forest theme, of course. And this is the Totoro Collection called Neighbors. So cute! Look at that! Look at him! Okay, granted, this does not look the same as Totoro when Totoro was painted in the movie, in the art. That's okay with me because, you know, copyright things. Okay, and these are the two collections, or rather two sticker kits from the Forest Friends collection. The very last collection that we have is something close to my heart. This also has an exclusive one. Let me do that last. Hang on. Not in order. Why? Okay. We are good to go. So this is the Books Over Flowers collection. I am a book lover and anything books is my jam. And this is the Pages and Petals. So this one has a lot of yellow to contrast with the red and the blue. So the red and the blue is just popping like crazy. And it's so nice. So you have an open book here. And this is the side strips. This is the bottom bar art of the books. So lots and lots of books. You also get them as a deco. You have the floral deco and the book decos. They are very tiny decos. And then this one is Petal Covers. So this one has the floral there. The background is a very, very, very light pink in contrast with like the nude or neutral colors of this art of the books that are flying away. And then for your deco, it's a little bit large and it is one of these books, but the covers are of the flowers because it's Petal Covers. There you go. The accent, by the way, is Old Rose. The next one is called Floral Bound, and this is a little on the vintage side because the background that I chose is like old paper, and it has the florals and the books. The books are of a different color than the other one, and this looks like a TN, and this one is a plume pen. And then the last one is Bookish Delights, and this is exclusive to Hobonichi Original A6 Books Over Flowers collection, and it just has the books that are flying away that are in neutral colors. I think this is really nice to mix and match because they are following the same theme very, very closely. Actually, when I make a collection for Hobonichi Original A6, I do meant for you to be able to choose, let's say, this one for the left page and this one for the right page. Actually, no. It's better if it's that one for the left page and this one for the right page, and just switch it up in any way that you would like. Be creative with your A6, especially if you are using it to just journal. So this is a really good alternative to washi if you want to decorate it, if you are writing on it. If you choose to use your A6 as an art journal, then I don't think you'd need this. But if you do want to get it, go ahead and go to paperjoyph.com because we are currently on a flash sale from today when you're watching this until June 1st, Monday. Grab this for 55 pesos. That's $1. So each of these is $1. Come on. And this is also cream paper that is fountain pen friendly. That's very important for me because I do use fountain pens on my Hobonichi because Tomoe River paper is very nice for fountain pens. So this one, once again, is the Books Over Flowers. This one is the Forest Friends collection for Hobonichi A6. And then I also showed you this one, which is for sheets, for sticker kits in the Hereafter Collection. And then I also showed you Hygge Collection. Also for the exclusive, by the way, for this one is this sticker kit is exclusive for the Hobonichi Original A6 collection. So if you have an A6 and a Weeks, hello puppy. Yes, puppy. Puppy's trying to get me to play with him. So let me go ahead and end this with this collection. So this is the self-discovery collection. And that is all the time we have for today. What? No. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like some more planner videos using Hobonichi planners, all of them, I have all of them, and I do post a lot of plan with me's in this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post new stuff, which is 3 to 4 times weekly. Also, please like us on Facebook. It is paperjoyph, and while you're there, please join my Facebook group where I have some Facebook exclusives, freebies, printables, etc., and also giveaways. So that's it for us once again, and thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!